Today's featured car of the day is a 1961 Buick Electra Restomod. And this is something you don't see too often, that's for sure. This one I filmed at a classic car show in a little town called Weatherford, Oklahoma, of only about 12,000 people. And they had a car show there and had quite a few nice cars that I've been featuring lately. And this one was definitely different. It's being a 61 Electra. It's Bubbletop like the Impalas were and the Pontiacs. It was definitely a rare one. They only made 4,250 two-door hardtop coupes in 1961 for Buick. And that was out of 47,923 Electra production for 1961. And total Buick production for 1961 was 276,754 cars. So this one's a pretty rare bird, and especially being a Restomod, it has a Corvette LS2 engine in it, and some different wheels and suspension, and quite a few things done to it. And he's looks like he's had it at Good Guys, so it was a good-looking car. It was definitely nice, definitely different. Not your daily Chevy that you see all the time. So if you want to be different, try a Buick. But anyway, that's today's featured car of the day, a 1961 Buick Electra, two-door hardtop coupe, one of 4,250 made. This one being a Restomod, though, to be even different. But if you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel Car Finder with a friend, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. If you made it to the end of the video, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and share the video with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one. And consider subscribing if you aren't subscribed, and leave a comment or suggestion. And thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos of the 700 plus videos that I have on my channel, Car Finder. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.